This property is 775 acres of a working cattle ranch with hunting and recreation. It features a 4-bedroom, 3-bath ranch-style home. This property is located in the beautiful Chautauqua Hills of southeast Kansas. With numerous ponds and a wet weather creek, there's water source year-round. It also features a 40 by 70 equipment shop with a concrete floor. There are 90 acres of Bermuda pasture for warm season grazing and higher yields. If hunting and recreation are what you're looking for, I think you found it. Deer, turkey, and other wildlife are abundant. This is an exceptional piece of property for hunting, fishing, and ATVing. What a great place to kick off your spurs and hang your hat. Welcome home to Kansas. For your own private showing or for more information, contact Mark Jones, Jones Realty Inc.